Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Lakineni. I am Prasann Kumar Lakineni. I am an associate professor in Department of Computer Science Engineering. I am having vast experience in computer science subjects. Here, for software aspirants, for the purpose of students, those who want to get good jobs in software industry and to have a practical and in-depth knowledge in the Python programming. Herewith I have taken so many programs and I am solving with complete explanation which is required to solve the problem. Like that, I am preparing so many MCQs, multiple choice questions with excellent explanation so that these videos will be helpful to improve your technical knowledge and also will help you in solving the software industry interviews. So please subscribe to my channel Learn with Lakineni to get all updates from my channel. In my channel I have prepared so many Python programming videos and also Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and also I am solving different lead code questions also. Please watch the videos in my YouTube channel Learn with Lakineni. Please don't forget to subscribe. Definitely you'll enjoy my videos and you'll get more knowledge from my videos. In this video, I am going to explain bitwise operators in Python. How you can use the bitwise operators, bitwise or bitwise and shifting operator, left shift, right shift. So here I have prepared some questions and I am explaining the answers for the questions. Here, what will be the output of the following Python code if x is equal to 1? So what is this? Here he has given x left shift by 2. X left shift by 2. That means you want to make 2 bits left shift by 2 bits. That means left shift by 2 bits. Here what is the value of x? X is equal to 1. So what is the binary representation of 1? Let us suppose binary representation of 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1. Now what you have to do? You have to make 2 bits left. You have to shift 2 bits left. This is first bit and this is second bit. That means 1 will come here. So what happens? 0, 1. When you shift 1 here 2 places zeros will be occupied. So after 2 bits left shift, the number will become like this. Now 0, 1, 0, 0 is equivalent to 4. So here the answer for this question is 4. That means if you perform 2 bits left shift on number 1, then it will give the number output as 4. In this question, what will be the output of the following Python expression? So here you have taken a decimal number and bin of decimal number. That means bin is a function which converts into binary form. Bin means binary. So you have taken the decimal number 29 and you want to convert the 29 into your binary form. So here how you will usually convert a decimal number into a binary form? Here 2 to 14s are 28. Here 1 is the remainder. Here 2 7s are 40. 0 is the remainder. Here 2 3s are 6. 1 is the remainder. Here 2 1s are 2. Here 1 is the remainder. Here 2 zeros are here 1. So if you write in the reverse order, 1 1 1 0 1. So this is the binary representation. To inform that it is a binary form, you have to add the prefix 0b. So here 0b 1 1 1 0 1 will be the output. So this is the binary representation of the given number 29. So if you pass any number into a bin function, it simply converts the number into binary number. Here, what will be the value of x in the following Python expression? So here the value of x is equal to 2. X right shift by 2 bits. Here this is a right shift operator. You want to make the binary value of x 2 bits right shift. So what is the binary value of x? Here x is equal to 2. 2 means 0 0 1 0. Suppose if you take in the binary form 0 0 1 0. Now you have to move 2 bits to the right side. First you move first right bit. Now this will become, this will come here, this will come here, this will come here, this 0 will come here. That means for the first shift to the right side, this one become 1 0 0 0. Again you have to make another right shift. So when you make it right shift, this will become, this will come here. That means 1 will come here. Again this 0 will come here, this 0 will come here, this 0 will come here. That means this is 1, this is 0, this is another 0, this is another 0. So after right shift by 2 bits, it becomes, so 1 0 0 means it is 8. So here the answer will be 8. Here answer will be, here this is a right circular shift. So here whatever the bit you have taken out, that will be added to the end of the string. So here at the end, this is a right circular shift. So here at the end this will be added. So like that, after shifting 2 bits, you will get 1 0 0 0. So it is equal to 8. Here the next question is, what will be the output of the following Python expression? Here what is given? Int of 1 0 1 1. So here you want to convert it into int, but in int what value you have taken? You have not mentioned any base. That means either it may be binary, or it is octal, or it is hexadecimal. We have not mentioned. We have taken simply 1 0 1 0. You want to convert 1 0 1 0 into integer. It is already a decimal. It is already a decimal number. So again you want to convert it into integer. So you will get the same number because you have not mentioned any base. Like it is not binary, it is not a hexadecimal, it is not octal. It is simply a decimal number. It is an integer number. Again you want to convert integer number into integer number. You will get the same value. That means 10 1 1 here it is 10 1 1. You will get 1011 only. You will get 1011 only. That means this will be the answer. So please don't confuse that term. By seeing 1011, it is a binary number. That binary number will be converted to decimal number like this. Decimal number like this. It won't be converted because you have not specified that it is a clear binary number. It is clearly an integer. You have not mentioned any base, either 0b or 0x or octal. You have not mentioned anything. So that's why please don't confuse. It is clearly a integer number only. So that's why you will get the same answer. Here to find out decimal value of 1111, that is 15, we can use the function. So here this is clearly an integer value. Here this is a binary value, but you have mentioned the base 10. Here this is just simply an integer value. Here within quotations you have mentioned So this one is the binary number. This one is the binary number. This binary number which you want to convert into an integer. That means it gives 50. It gives the answer as 15. So this will be the answer for this question. Here the question is, what will be the output of the following Python expression if x is equal to 15? Here is given x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 12. And you want to perform x and y. You want to perform a bitwise x and y. Bitwise x and y. So AND operator means if both are ones, then result will be 1. If anything is 0, the result will be 0. That means both are 1, the result will be 1. If anything is 0, the result will be 0. If both are 0, it will be 0. So you are performing bitwise AND. So what is the binary equivalent of 15? The binary equivalent of 15 is 1, 1. You can write x in binary equivalent is 1, 1, 1, 1. What is the binary equivalent of 12? Binary equivalent of 12 is 1, 1, 0, 0. Now if you make an AND operation between x and y, these are two different. These are different. So it gives 0. 1 and 0 gives 0. Both are ones, the answer will be 1. Both are ones, the answer will be 1. So ultimately, finally, you are getting 12 as the output. 12 as the output. So what is the output from this? 12 is the output from this. Here we did simply the bitwise AND operation between the binary equivalent values. In this, this one is correct, this one is correct, and this one is wrong. That means you are saying that this is a decimal number, and you are asking for binary equivalent. Here, if you write within the quotations, then it will be treated as a decimal binary number, so that the base is 2. So here the expression int of 1111 comma 0 results an error, because we have written the expression as, then we could not be as quotations. Within the quotations we have written 1, without quotations we have written 1011. It will be simply an integer number. So how can you say that an integer number in binary form? You cannot say integer number in the binary form. So this will be the wrong notation. So here, which of the following expression represents the bitwise XOR? Bitwise XOR. Here, this cap is the bitwise XOR. Okay, this is the bitwise and this is bitwise. Bitwise and this is bitwise exclusive OR. This is bitwise OR, and this is bitwise NOT. This is bitwise NOT. So these are the different bitwise operations. Here, what is the value of the following Python expression? Here, what is given? Bin 0x8. So here clearly 0x is a hexadecimal representation. Hexadecimal representation. Hexadecimal representation. So that means 8 is in the form of hexadecimal number. Now you want to convert this hexadecimal representation into bin. That means binary representation. So the binary equivalent of hexadecimal 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. This is the binary representation. 1, 0, 0, 0. This is 8. So you have to indicate that this is in binary format. For that, 0b 1, 0, 0, 0 is the binary equivalent representation of hexadecimal number. So 0x can be converted into a binary number 0b 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is the equivalent. So this will be the answer for this question. Here, what will be the output of the following Python expression? Here 0x35. That means this is an hexadecimal representation. 0x75. This is an hexadecimal representation. Between this number, you want to perform a bitwise OR. If you want to perform bitwise OR between two hexagonal numbers, then you have to convert those two hexadecimal numbers into binary numbers. So, the binary equivalent of 0x35 is 0x35. Binary representation is 110101. The binary representation of 75 is 110101. If you perform the OR operation between these two, then you will get 11100101. Means if both are ones, 1. If anything is, if both are zeros, answer will be 0. So here, after performing OR operation between these two numbers, you will get this one. So the decimal equivalent of this number is 117. The decimal equivalent of this number is 117. So here, 117 will be the answer for this. So whatever may be the type, what it may be a binary, or it may be a hexadecimal, or it may be a octal. If you want to perform the bitwise operator, internally this will be converted to the binary form, and this will be converted to the binary form. Between these two binary form, bitwise operation will be performed, and finally result will be kept. Result will be shown in the form of a decimal number. Result will be shown in the form of a decimal number system. Decimal number. So this is the 117 will be the answer for this question. Hope you are all understanding. Please watch the video one or more times so that you will understand clearly. If you really feel that this video will be useful for your interview point of view or to get more knowledge, please subscribe to my channel so that you will get more updates from my channel. Thank you for watching my video.